Hello children, I Rehana Kasli representing Bright Star International School Billimora would like to explain you the topic numbers till 50 of math subject. Last period we have to learn about subtraction sums. Today we have to learn about addition and subtraction sums. In Mayflower Same One book, page number 131. My topic is addition and subtraction. One number. Tom had 32 marbles. Tom had 32 marbles. He lost 20 marbles. How many marbles are left with him? Tom had 32 marbles. He lost 20 marbles. 32. How many marbles are left? Left means that sums is subtraction. Left means subtraction sums. 32 marbles, that 20 marbles he lost. So how many remaining marbles left? Is how many remaining? That is the subtraction sum. 32 minus 20. Now see here in ones place 2 and 0. 32 that 2 has the ones place and 3 has the tens place. In 20, 0 has the ones place, 2 has the tens place. Now we have to see here ones place 2 and 0. 2 minus 0. 0 means nothing. Means 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. Now here 3 minus 2. Now we have to take 3 finger and that cut 2 finger. Okay. Now we have to take 3 finger. 1, 2, 3. Now that we have to cut 2 finger. 1, 2. 1, 2. So how many remaining? 1 only. So write in here 1. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Means 32 minus 20 is equal to 12. So Tom has 12 marbles left with him. Tom has 12 marbles left with him. Now second question. Sarah had 28 marbles. Sarah had 28 marbles. Her mother gave her 11 more. Sarah already had 28 marbles and her mother gave. So that marbles number are increasing or decreasing? Increasing, no. 28 already had and mother gave more 11. Means that number of marbles are increasing. Means this sums has addition sums. 28 plus 11. So how many marbles does Sarah have now? So 28 plus 11. So now we have to take 8 plus 1. 1 place 28 that 8 has the 1 place and 2 has the tens place. And 11 that 1 has the ones place and 1 has the tens place. So now we have to see here 8 plus 1. So we have to take one finger and count after 8. Take one finger. 8 after 1 means 9. So now write in here number 9. Now here tens place 2 is the 2 plus 1. Means we have to take one finger and count after 2. Take one finger, count after 2. 2 after which number? 3 numbers. So now write in here number 3. So 28 plus 11, answer will come 39. So Sarah has 39 marbles now. Sarah has 39 marbles now. Now second, here have first question. Ollie had 26 sweets. Ollie had 26 sweets. His brother gave him 12 more. Ollie had 26 sweets and brothers gave 12 more. So how many sweets does all have now? How many sweets does all have now? So 26 plus 12. Now our ones place is 6 and 10 place is 2. And in this 12, ones place has 2 and 10 place has 1. So 6 and 2. So we have to take 2 finger and count after 6. Now we have to take 2 fingers, 1 and 2, and count after 6. 6 after which number? 7, 8. So now write in here 8. Now next 2 plus 1. Take 1 finger, count after 2. 2 after 3. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So 26 plus 12 is equal to 38. So Ali has 38 sweets now. Ali has 38 sweets now. Now second, Sonia had 35 cards. She lost 12 cards. Sonia had 35 cards and she lost 12 cards. So how many cards does Sonia have? Now 35 minus 12. 35 minus 12. Now 35, that 5 is the ones place and 3 is the tens place. And 12, 2 is the ones place and 1 is the tens place. First we have to take ones place. 5 minus 2. So now minus sums. We have to take. Why this is minus? Because 35 cards that he lost 12 cards. This means that number are decreasing. Decreasing means subtract this. So 5 minus 2. So we have to take 5 finger and that we have to cut 2 fingers. Okay. Take 5 finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take 5 fingers. That we have to cut 2 finger. 1, 2. How many fingers left? 1, 2, 3. So now write 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Now next 3 minus 1s. Now we have to take 3 finger. 1, 2, 3. And that we have to cut 1 finger. 1 finger we have to cut. So how many fingers left? 2 fingers. So write in here 2. Sonia has 23 cards now. Sonia has 23 cards now. Now our third question is, Ravi had 36 crayons. Ravi had 36 crayons. He got 10 more. More means that increase number. He got 10 more crayons. Means that number are increase. At his friend's birthday party. Ravi had 36 crayons and he got 10 more crayons his friend's birthday party. Means number will be increasing. More means that number are increasing. How many crayons does he have now? How many means this is the addition sums. So 36 plus 10. In 36, 6 has the ones place, 3 has the tens place. In 10, 0 has the ones place and 1 has the tens place. Now we have to see in ones place 6 plus 0. 0 means nothing, 0 means no value. So 6 plus 0 is equal to 6. Now 3 plus 1. 1 has, we have to take 1 finger and count after 3. Take 1 finger. Take 1 finger, count after 3. 3 plus 1, 3 after 4. So 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So Ravi has 46 crayons now. Okay, now fourth question our Dipti had 48 animal stickers. She gave 16 of these to Rahul. How many Dipti had? 48 stickers. And that 60 stickers she gave to Rahul. Means that number of stickers are increasing or decreasing. Number are decreasing, no, less no number. Or 48 is, she have 48 and she gave this 60 Rahul. So number of stickers are decreased. So how many animal sticker does Dipti have now? So see, give means that number are decrease. So 48 minus 16. 48 that 4 has the tens place, 8 has the ones place, 16 this 1 has the tens place, and 6 has the ones place. 8 minus 6. Our ones place 8 minus 6. So we have to take 8 finger and count and cut that 6 finger. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8. Now 8, take 8 finger and cut 6 finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many remaining? 2 remaining. 2 finger. So 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Now 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Now next 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1. Now we have to take 4 finger. 1, 2, 3, 4. That 4 minus 1. So that we have to cut 1 finger. So how many remaining? 3 finger. 1, 2 and 3 remaining. So write in here 3. So 46 minus 16 is equal to 32. So Dipti has 32 stickers now. So children, this exercise you have to write in your textbook, and other homework sums I will give that you have to write in your notebook. I will send in PDF file. Okay, thank you children.